Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this guppy fish food and my fish just love it. They just gobble it up. They just cannot wait until it's time to eat. As you can see, as soon as I put the food in the fish tank, the fish go crazy. They just love it. They start dancing around and eating it up so fast. I also really love the container that it's in. You can see it's a lot of food and you only need a pinch, so it lasts a long time, and it has a Ziploc seal. And if you turn it upside down, it does not leak out, and the pellets are pretty small, so that is pretty impressive. So if you have fish and they're guppies, this food not only lasts a very long time, but you get 2 packs, and it's definitely a good buy. Your fish will be so happy as they're slurping up their food, and that's my point of view.